It's the kind of show that's been rehearsed for 1,000 years. A chorus carried by a cast of wing performers, on a stage way out of reach. But there's something else too. Something unexpected. You really need to see it. Right here, right now. Welcome to Uganda, home to one of the world's most incredible wildlife experiences. Here in the dense jungles of this East African country, visitors can embark on an unforgettable gorilla trek to observe these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. More than half of the world's remaining mountain gorilla population lives here. It's an experience that stays with you, one that stays forever. And that's why there's nothing like it. Trekking through the dense jungle may include breaking a sweat, but with our experienced guides to lead the way, visitors can immerse themselves in the beauty and wonder of this wonderland. And when you finally reach the gorillas, the experience is truly unforgettable. So come feel the magic of Uganda's gorilla tracking safari. It's an adventure you'll never forget.